Now what? Now Giant Gonzalez gets back in the ring. Oh, it gets hit again. Now, wait a minute. He's setting a chair on his ankle. What is he doing? He's gonna stop. Oh my God! And another elbow drop to the knees. Now setting it on him again. Giant Gonzalez pushes it off. And high knee. Giant Gonzalez down. Oh no! Moved out of the way. Now Giant Gonzalez has a chair. Just stalking and waiting for him to get up. Oh my God! Oh! Shot right to the chest. And throws it on him. Pushes him down. Wait a minute. Look out. Power bomb on the chair. Then a power bomb on the mat. Oh, power bomb on the ladder and the chair. Cover. 1, 2, 3. No, kick out. Then the shoulder block takes him down. Then he just walks over him. Oh, drop kick out of nowhere. Then another elbow, another kip up. Again, showboating with a counter, drop kick. Now he's going to the top rope. Wait a minute. Oh, clothesline takes him down. This is what he needs to do to get momentum. Wait a minute. Just pushed over the top rope. Wait a minute. Counter. Right hand. Oh, man. Oh, no, look out, look out. Oh, my God. Thrown into the ladder. Oh, another shot. Hammer shot. Now what? The Canadian backbreaker. And just drops him right on his face. There's a knee to the back of the skull. Wait a minute, counter. Oh, flying forearm. Kip up. And flips him. Giant Gonzalez has not been happy as of late after losing the Psycho title. Let's just say that. Oh, an alley-oop. Takes him down. Nothing. Takes him down again. Oh, wait. He's going for the shock treatment backbreaker. Now what? Now he's going up to the top rope. Now what? Giant Gonzalez flying off the top rope with the axe handle. Wait a minute. And when he countered it, kicks him, sets him on the top rope. Now what? Oh God, no, you can't do this, Giant Gonzalez. He can't do this. He can't. Oh my! He did it! For the love of God! 1, 2, 3. No! He kicked out. Giant Gonzalez has never been pinned in one-on-one competition, but that was a point where I thought he was going to get pinned there. My God. How did that not just break the ring in half? Now Giant Gonzalez is stomping right on his face. He tries to throw him in the ladder, but fails. Double chicken wing. Oh my God. Sent him right through the ladder. Oh, and a shot to the back with the chair. For good measure. 1, 2, and 3. No. Another kick out. Another shoulder block. Doesn't like everyone do the shoulder block now. We've seen that. Millions of superstars do the shoulder block. Who cares? Now, oh, right hand. Oh, shot. Wait a minute, maybe going. He may be going for that outer limits elbow drop. Oh my god! Guess you could call that the amazing limits elbow drop. Now what? Is he going for? Oh! Famouser! 1, 2, 3. No! Gonzalez just got the shoulder up. Oh, another shot. He's going for it again. The amazing limits elbow drop. Oh, got it again. Now on the top. Now going up to the top. Going for a splash. Oh! Knees to the ribs. Wait a minute. It's going for the Gonzalez. Oh! God, it busted him open. Cover. That is it. 1, 2, and 3. No, kicked out. Another shot. And the sidewalk slam. Wait a minute, counter. Oh, I do not know what to call that. That was devastating. Now he's up to the top rope, maybe looking for the amazing end. Ah, he got it. Cover. 1, 2, and 3. No, he kicked out. Thought for sure that was gonna be it. And wait a minute, counter, black hole slam. That was from out of nowhere. And now Giant Gonzalez. Oh, with the Gonzalez claw, the giant claw. I don't know what to call that. The Gonzalez claw. That claw is locked in on his shoulder. I don't think I've even. Oh, he broke out of it. I don't think I've ever seen anyone break out of the Gonzalez chop before. Not the Gonzalez chop, the Gonzalez claw. What am I thinking? Now what's this? Oh, suplex! Can't believe he just did. Oh wait, is he gonna do it again? Is it again? Again! And it's the third time. Third time. Another suplex. Triple verticals. Triple verticals. And now a frog splash! Shades of Eddie Guerrero there. 1, 2, and 3. No, he kicked out. A perfect way to end it right there. Kicked him off. Now John Gonzalez is just missing like crazy. Oh, wrenches him. And a knee to the back of the skull. Now, release him into the ropes. Another black hole slam. Now he's going for shock treatment. Back breaker, and he got it. And a counter. I don't know what he was going for, but he got a drop. John Gonzalez just got a drop kick right in the mush. Springboard and a moonsault. Another moonsault. Man, another moonsault. No more shake, rattle, and roll. Oh, right hand. Again, a shake, rattle, roll, bam! Ducked it. Oh, now it's kicking at the legs of Giant Gonzalez, and it takes him down. Gets the gut. Oh, a stunner! A stunner! Pulling him away from the ropes just in case there is rope breaks in this match. 1, 2, and no! Kicked out. He kicked out.